Welcome to Word Snapshot. This is a creative game designed to help participants get to know each other better, while also fostering a sense of self-awareness and fun. Let's jump right in and see how to play. Step 1. Each participant gets a small piece of adhesive tape. On this tape, write a characteristic feature that describes you, or something you enjoy doing. This could be a hobby, a personality trait, or even something that makes you smile. Step 2. Once everyone has written their characteristic feature, it's time to introduce yourselves. One by one, each participant says their name and shares the word they chose to describe themselves. If there's time, you can even explain why you picked that word. Step 3. Now that everyone knows each other's features, it's time to start using them in conversation. When mentioning a person, instead of saying their name, use the characteristic feature. For example, if Peter's word is fisherman, you can say, "Now, the fisherman needs to do this," instead of just saying Peter's name. Step 4. To add a bit more structure, the facilitator can suggest focusing on a specific type of feature. You might ask participants to choose only emotions, hobbies, or things that make them smile. This helps keep the focus on the theme you want to explore. After the game, it's helpful to reflect on the experience. Here are a few questions to think about. What did you learn about yourself by choosing your characteristic feature? How did it feel to be called by a word instead of your name? Did the use of features change the way you interacted with others? How did focusing on a single characteristic affect the dynamics of the group? Great job! Word Snapshot is a fantastic way to break the ice, learn about each other, and have fun. Now that you know how it works, gather your group and give it a try.